Right, here we go on the Wild Water Rapids with the questionable looking water. It's bright green. So
We don't know why it's bright green.
no, we don't. I'm assuming it's colouring because it's permanently moving, but as you can see, it's fluorescent. Woohoo! You alright, Cass?
Yeah.
Bouncing up the conveyor belt. Well, my backside's soaking wet. Oh. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Woohoo! Here we go, no! Oh God! Oh God! I'm glad that's near the end of the day anyway. Oh God! Near the end. Oh God! Oh, there's still so much more to go. Oh no! Oh, he's got it! Oh no! Oh, poor Eden! Oh, last bit! Oh God! Right, that's enough. I'm turning this off.